If you're looking to set up email sequences for your e-commerce store using GetResponse, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk you through the process step by step so you can start automating your customer journey and boosting sales without any headaches. First, let's quickly talk about why email sequences are crucial for e-commerce. Setting up an automated email sequence lets you engage customers with timely messages. These could be welcoming new subscribers, nurturing leads, or sending cart abandonment reminders. With GetResponse, you can create these sequences and track results all in one place. But is it the best platform for this? Stick around, and you'll see why I'm giving you the full picture. Next thing, you need to create a new email sequence in GetResponse. To do this, go to your dashboard and navigate to the Automation tab. From there, click Create Workflow. GetResponse makes it easy to start from scratch or use a pre-designed template. If you're new to email sequences, I suggest starting with a template. It's a great way to get familiar with the tools while ensuring you don't miss important steps in your automation. After that, the next thing is to set up triggers. Triggers are what start your email sequence. For an e-commerce store, a common trigger would be when someone subscribes to your list. You can also set up triggers based on customer actions, like making a purchase or abandoning a cart. You can get as granular as you want with these triggers, which gives you a lot of flexibility in tailoring the customer journey. Now let's talk about adding content to your sequence. You'll create the emails that get sent after each trigger. Each email in your sequence should offer something valuable, whether it's a discount, helpful information, or product recommendations based on their browsing behavior. GetResponse allows you to personalize emails by inserting dynamic fields, like the customer's name or products they've recently viewed, which can really increase engagement. Next thing, let's get into setting up the timing. The timing of your emails is just as important as the content itself. You can set up delays between each email in the sequence, ensuring you don't overwhelm your customers, but you also don't want to wait too long to follow up. A good rule of thumb for e-commerce is to send a follow-up within 24 hours of a cart abandonment and another reminder 48 hours after that. The fourth thing is analyzing the results. Once your email sequence is live, GetResponse provides detailed analytics on how each email is performing. You'll be able to track open rates, click-through rates, and conversions, so you can tweak your emails over time to get better results. A/B testing is also available for you to experiment with subject lines, content, and send times. Now, let's talk about GetResponse overall. While it's a solid tool for creating email sequences, it does have its drawbacks. The drag-and-drop email builder can be a bit clunky, and the pricing, especially for advanced features like webinars, can get steep. It also lacks some advanced segmentation features that other platforms like ActiveCampaign offer. So, while GetResponse works well for basic email sequences, it may not be the best choice for stores looking to scale quickly. At the end of the day, if you're looking for something that integrates better with e-commerce and has a more intuitive interface, you might want to check out alternatives that do it even better. These alternatives offer great features for e-commerce businesses, and they also provide free trials, so you can test them out risk-free. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that you'll get access to an exclusive extended free trial through the link in the description below. This will give you the best free trial and benefits, plus you'll discover some other great tools better suited for your e-commerce goals. Don't miss out!